So would you like to make money online without even doing any of the work or even fulfilling the work? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make fast money using a website that I'm about to show you here in a little bit. But guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how to make money online, how to grow your online business, and how to grow your YouTube channel. So if you guys want to learn more, subscribe to the channel and let's go ahead and get started. Now, guys, I do want to tell you this. With this method, it's you can literally set this up tonight and you could probably start making money right away. I'm going to show you how to do that. But first of all, I did want to show you a lot of this money will go straight to your PayPal account. You can start getting payments. You can start making money, getting that cash flow, and then putting it into an online business, which I will show you how to do at the end of this video. It's going to be a bonus on how I actually make passive income. Okay, so I'm going to show you that here in a little bit. But what we're doing, okay, so if you guys heard of Fiverr, what Fiverr is, it's probably the biggest network out there when it comes to freelancing. Okay, there's a ton of people going out here and they're hiring people on Fiverr to do certain tasks, usually graphic design, YouTube SEO, website, website design, stuff like that. Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to go to Fiverr and we're going to see we're using Fiverr to kind of outsource so that way people are doing the work for us, okay? So there's going to be two websites we're using, okay? First is Fiverr.com, and the second one is called, this one right here, let me pull it up for you guys. It's called Quicken Gigs, okay? So this is a brand new website. I mean, not completely brand new, but basically it's a newer website, and what we can do is post a gig on this website, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And what we're going to do is actually outsource it to a Fiverr, someone on Fiverr to do the work for us. So we're literally not doing any work. We're getting clients from Quicken Gigs and we're outsourcing to Fiverr. I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing. Now, the gig that I'm going to just do an example of is called, it's just going to do YouTube SEO. Okay, there's a ton of money in YouTube SEO. A lot of people are doing it. A lot of people need it. And I'm going to show you kind of what you can do to get your stuff out there, okay? So you can literally do this with anything because you're not doing any of the work yourself, okay? So what you do is you create a Quicken Gigs account, okay? And you can see here that you can charge, let's say $15, for this, and then you can outsource it for someone on Fiverr. Let's just say for $5, okay? Right here, $5, okay? So you can make money there. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually create a gig on Quicken Gigs. Okay, so you just go here once you create your account, and then you're gonna go to jobs. You're gonna go to post new. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna literally post a job on Quicken Gigs because there's not that much competition on here. It's a newer website. There's not that much people on it. So the time is now to kind of get on this website and start making money with this method. Okay. So gig title. What I would do, guys, is just go to Fiverr and literally just see what you can find in here. Let's see, I do YouTube SEO. You can kind of model some of this stuff here. I wouldn't just straight copy it, but for the sake of the video, I am just gonna copy it just so I can show you how to get this going right away. But don't just copy this because that's just not, I wouldn't recommend that. So anyways, so gig title, I'll do SEO on YouTube, video to improve video ranking. I'm just gonna put here rank #1 on YouTube, okay? Just to change it up a little bit, okay? So I'm gonna charge, I mean, you can do whatever you want, but I'm just gonna do $20. Another thing I did want to mention is with Quicken Gigs, they actually charge you less. So I think Fiverr charges you 20% for every gig. Okay, right here, I think they charge a lot less because they're a brand new company. They're not charging as much, as far as commission. Okay, so just want to let you guys know that. And then category, we're just going to go to, let's see here, digital marketing. That's fine. And then for subcategory, there should be something for SEO. There you go. SEO, perfect. Okay, now the description, this is where you want to actually write out a really good description, that way people go with you. Obviously I'm not going to do that right now, but I'm just going to copy this just so we have something here. Okay, so you can see here about this gig, go back here and literally just copy that. Okay, but change it up, of course. Always want to change it up. And then I would add as much as you can in this gig. I know when I'm buying a gig from somebody, I want to know exactly what it covers. So, kind of write it out more. You can kind of model what they're doing. Just don't copy it exactly. Okay. I'm just doing it for the sake of this video. Okay. Now for tags, you want to make sure there's enough keywords in here. That way people can find your gig right away. So YouTube SEO, how to rank on how to rank on YouTube, whatever the gig is about, right? You want to write as many tags as you can. That way people will find your gig instead of someone else's gig, okay? And this is how we're going to make money, okay? And then obviously we submit that. And, the biggest thing here, let me see if I can go to the next page. Let me see here. So then we want to add a photo of the actual gig, right? Because in here, there's an actual photo of the gig, right? So like, for example, the cover photo. This is important here, guys. So, obviously you don't want to copy this, but make yours even better than someone else's, okay? So something like, ranking video #1 on YouTube, something with a graph, just something really that stands out. This one really stands out to me. So you can go on Canva, create your own, and just put it out there, and you're going to get a lot more people clicking on yours than someone else's, okay? Now, there's a few things you can do. The first one is basically have a better title, have a better description. That's going to get your stuff ranked on Quicken gigs. That way people will click on your gigs and go from there. But another thing, guys, is remember, we're not doing any of the work. So if someone actually buys from your gig, they pay you $20, what I would do is just go here to Fiverr and find someone that's doing it for like $5, guys. So there should be someone here, right here, $5, and literally drop service that to this person here. Give them the exact information, and they're gonna actually drop service it for you, and you make $15 every single time, okay? And you're not doing any work. It's really cool, okay? Another thing you can do, guys, is you can go to Facebook. For example, you can go to Facebook, and then you can find groups, right? So YouTube SEO. You can go to YouTube SEO, and you can literally find people. You can find groups of people that people are looking for this type of stuff. So if you're looking to get fast traffic, you can go to a lot of these groups here, and you can engage with the community and see if anyone needs help with YouTube SEO, because I promise you a lot of people need that. Okay, and that's going to give you that quick. You're going to get that fast traffic, okay, to your gig. But Quicken Gigs is also going to send you traffic as well, okay? So anyways, guys, that's exactly how you would make money with this method. Literally not doing any of the work once you have it set up, of course. Then you can just outsource it to someone on Fiverr. And this is a great way to get started with your online business because, guys, you need money in the beginning. You need cash flow, okay? And you can do this. Like I said, it just takes a little bit of work in the beginning, and then you outsource it. So you're literally not doing any work. You're literally just copying and pasting to someone else on Fiverr, right? So you're not doing any of the work, guys, and you can make a ton of money with this. And then eventually, as you get better, as you start getting ratings, you can literally, start charging $50 for this and still pay $5 to outsource that, right? If you find a really good, person to outsource it to, okay? So anyways, guys, that is how you would do that. Now, this is not what I do. I do affiliate marketing, and I have a passive income business, okay, guys? So what I do is I sell other people's products, and I get commission, and that's how I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job. Actually, guys, I just quit my job like last week. I'll show you the post here. Let me see if I can find it. This is my personal Facebook, so I'll show you my post. Let me see if we can find it here. It just posted like a week ago. You can see right here. So you can see I quit my $80,000 a year job and never felt so free in my entire life. Literally, guys, my life has changed so much. It's only been 4 days since I actually quit. You can see here March 2nd, and today's March 6th. It's only been 4 days, and I'm loving this like full-time gig. Being an online marketer, I've been able to do whatever I want in the last week. Of course, I love working. I love providing value for you guys on YouTube and my Facebook group, stuff like that. But guys, if you want to learn how to achieve that financial freedom, if you want to learn, how to make passive income and, being able to work from your laptop literally anywhere in the world, guys, that's what I was able to do, right? I was able to do this part-time, while I was working my full-time job. I mean, you can see my whole story here. You can see here's some of the commissions that I have here, $16,000 with this program here. And this one here, I did another last month. I did almost $12,000, guys. So I'm making a ton of money with this, and you can get started too. So if you want to learn how to do that, click the first link in the description below. It's going to take you through a business challenge and how to create a passive income and how you can get started with this business, guys. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to always do stuff like this. This is a great way to get this is a great way to get money flowing. get some money in the bank and then invest into an actual program, right? But you don't want to do this the rest of your life. You want to create a system that's passive. Kind of what I'm doing, guys. I'm able to create a passive income. I could literally go, on vacation for a month and I'm still making money. So that's the beauty of passive income. So if you want to learn more, click on the link in the description below. It's going to be the first link, and it's going to take you to a business challenge that's going to help you get started. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys, and let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe to the channel. I'm posting content almost every single day, and I'll talk to you guys soon.